Welcome to Sobha Manhattan Towers. Sobha Manhattan Towers, an uber luxury offering from the House of Sobha at Electronic City. Experience superb living, great lifestyle, only at Sobha Manhattan Towers. So you're going to experience some of the finest amenities. So this is 1755 square feet 3 bedroom unit model house at Sobha Town Park. This is your dining area, beautiful lobby, loft area, and that's the view from your living area. There's a wonderful balcony where you could laze around, spend great moments. A usable balcony where you could sit and sip a cup of coffee. All Sobha properties come with a large sized kitchenettes. You also have your utility area which is separated. As you are aware, Sobha is the only company which is completely backward integrated company, ensuring you there is the finest quality goes into workmanship of everything. Each of your living spaces comes with great ventilation and convenience of the space where every space is utilized to perfection. The fittings without any compromise with the best available. The master bedroom with an attached toilet. Class apart only at Manhattan Towers. The uber luxury lifestyle at Sobha Manhattan Towers. Invest now. Build a great future at Electronic City, Bengaluru. For more details, let's connect on 99011 40164. We would be happy to discuss with you. Plan your site visit so that you could see for yourself at our experience center at Sobha Manhattan Towers, Sobha Town Park. See you soon.